So in order to see the match function in action, first thing to do is we are going to install this package, Mango Training. So this package contains two data frames that we want to use. First is demo data and PK data. So go ahead and install this package. So after you install the package, don't forget to load the package, right? So it's Mango Training, okay? And then let us look into our data set that we're going to use. It's demo data. I'm gonna print the first tree, and I'm gonna look at this other data set, which is PK PK data, and I'm going to also look into the first tree. Okay, so we have these two data frames that we want to use. Okay, so for each of these 33 subjects that are in demo data, right? Okay, so if you want to know and learn about these two data sets, you will just go here and then go to this window, which is help window. But so basically what we wanna see here is that this is a data frame with 33 observations, right, on the following 7 demographic variables. Okay, so as you can see, we have subject, which is a numeric vector that's giving the subject identifier. We have sex, we have age, and so on, right? So you can just go to this window to learn about these two data sets. But for each of the 33 subjects in demo data, we have 5 corresponding records in PK data. So these records, they represent times at which blood samples were taken during this fictitious study. So what we want to do here is we want to merge these two data frames together by the subject column, right? So we're going to merge these two data sets by the subject column. Okay, so in order to do this, we can say then this is going to be the full data set, right? So let's call this full PK, and let's say merge, right? Remember, we specify the first data set, which is demo data, right? And we specify PK data, right? And we want to specify that we're gonna merge by subject. Okay, and if we run this and we say the first, we want to see the first, let's say 3 observations, right? So as you observed is that this new data set, which is full PK, it now contains variables that can, oh, excuse me, yeah, the variables, or you can say the columns that can be found on demo data and PK data. So it has merged using this common variable. Okay, but if you notice here is that in these two data frames, subject is the common variable, right? And it is the only common variable. So we could just easily have omitted this argument, right? Say for example, we say full PK and we omit this, right? And let's run this and let's also look into the first 3 observations. So you can observe here is that even if we have omitted this common variable, R is able to find the common variable to merge by.